G1, tell me how you'd help a father or a mother who passed away and she pretty much had all her legal documents like the deeds to the home and all of that embedded after we had it uploaded to the cloud. How could you help the wealth transfer if the children were to grow up and they never transferred the home or the right documents to them? If they have inheritance that they weren't able to get, how could you help with that?
In that scenario, G1 would help by securely storing and organizing all critical legal documents, ensuring they're easily accessible when needed. It could guide the family through the legal steps required to transfer assets, such as property deeds, to the rightful heirs. Additionally, G1 could connect the family with legal resources or professionals to facilitate the inheritance process. By maintaining an organized, secure repository of important documents and providing step-by-step guidance, G1 would ensure a smooth and efficient transfer of wealth to the next generation.